up, you guys? It's your girl Kamsylvana back with another video.
They gonna be falling by tomorrow, but they
Came out good today. Period. Also, I'm sure my cat is gonna jump up here at some point. I'm gonna have to knock him down. My girlfriend should be walking in any minute from work, so don't mind these little distractions. Your girl got a little bit of her drink left. I tried Tito's for the first time, and I mixed it with mango, Everfresh, and orange juice, and it's really good. Also got some water. And what we're gonna be eating today is, y'all, some more Indian food. I was gonna try to get something else. Like, I was trying to think of some other types of foods I could get that I haven't tried yet on this channel, but I've been craving butter chicken so bad, and my girlfriend has been also craving butter chicken. So I had to get the butter chicken again. But I did also get something new to try, and that is the, what is this called? Chilli Paneer. I think it's called Chilli Paneer. And it's basically like fried, oh, it's dripping. But it's basically fried Indian cheese. If I'm not mistaken, it's cottage cheese. I'm gonna have to separate me and hers rice because they put it all in one thing instead of giving us like two separate rices. Here's our butter chicken. I also have to find out which one is, no, actually, I didn't get it spicy because I got this paneer spicy. So I purposely, I'm pretty sure I got both the butter chickens like regular spice level because I was already getting that spicy and I didn't want to overdo it. So let me get my plate really quick, y'all, because like I said, I have to divide this up like half and half because I don't understand why they didn't just give us two rices because we're big and we like to eat. But I'm gonna split that up really quick and then I will be right back and we gonna start the little mukbang. Hurry. Oh, Jesus. Y'all can't really see my plate, but y'all can see this rice. Yes, Lord. Okay, so I'm gonna just do that for right now. Okay, so it looks so good. Maybe I should try one more thumbnail. Oh, it's dripping. Okay, that was, I'm gonna stir this up. And I'm gonna just get my first bite of the butter chicken because, oh, I already know what it tastes like. How do y'all get, like, you really taste the butter in butter chicken? And I would love to know how to make this because it's so freaking good. Let me get a piece of chicken for my first bite. Oh my God. It's nothing like it. It's good. That's real good. Klaus is like circling my chair right now. Now, the real question is this chili paneer good? That's what the real question is. I wonder if that's my girlfriend. Because this is one I haven't tried yet. And I knew I was going to try something new. It was between this or the samosas. And I said, let me try this. It's like fried cheese. Hey. I told y'all she'll be walking in. So this is what it looks like. This is supposed to be spicy. I'm scared. Did he? You don't gotta be quiet. Mmm. That's good. And it's not even that spicy. I wonder if I ordered it spicy for real or if I forgot. Because it's not even that spicy. Let me try it with some bell pepper. It's almost like a... What flavor am I trying to think of? It's almost like a sweet, not barbecue, but like almost like Mongolian type of flavor to the sauce. It's good. So this is yours. They put all the rice in one container, and I had just got some out. You're welcome. It's so good. I like this though. Do you want to try this? It's chili paneer. It's like fried cheese and chili sauce. Y'all want to try it? Yo, I actually like this. Oh my God, it's dripping on my chin. Big bag, big bag. Mmm. That's good. And I like that it's bell pepper and onion in this too. But if you didn't know that was cottage cheese or fried cheese or whatever, you would think it's like tofu. Are you hollering at me? It's spicy. I think I'm gonna look up a recipe for this butter chicken because I gotta make this. And I wonder if my kids will eat it. They're so picky. Get down. Get your big bean head. No, I'm just playing. Did I turn the air off? No. Maybe it's because it is a little spicy. Hey? I said next time I'm gonna try the samosas, because I was gonna try like one new thing this time, and it was these paneer, the chili paneer. I wonder, tell me y'all in the comments if I'm pronouncing it wrong. That's what I tried new this time. Next time I want to try the samosas because those look good too, and they're fried. And I feel like anything fried is good. I can't wait to watch this back and see if y'all can hear Klaus. Probably can. I almost got the butter chicken spicy. Not yours, but I think that'd be good. And I feel like I'm getting a little sore throat. You know, sometimes like when you getting sick, spicy stuff kind of like help your sinuses.
No, it
Mm-hmm. I think it does.
It's spicy.
You think it's spicy?
I said, is it?
No, it's mild, which I think is like the regular spice level. I feel bad now, but then right before, like, I swear, right before my food got here, because I DoorDashed it, he was hollering at me because his bowl was empty. And I had just gave him some food, so it's not like he's starving. He's just being greedy.
I got napkin.
Mm-hmm. I know it drips a lot, doesn't it?
Thank you.
I'm good, though. Let me get another piece of paneer. See, I feel like it would be wrong for me to make suggestions for this because I'm not Indian and it's a traditional like dish, but I feel like the paneer would be better if instead of fried cottage cheese, it was like fried cheddar cheese or like fried mozzarella cheese or something with like a little bit more flavor, but it's still good. I'm like halfway through my butter chicken, y'all. But I didn't pour all of it on there. I only poured half, really. Kind of not even half, so I'm gonna have some left for later.
Babe, you want this rice?
Hmm?
I just poured all this shit in there. You want this rice?
Okay.
No? Why?
Thank you. I wonder what's the difference, because this is basmati rice.
Can you get some of this rice?
What you mean? I don't wanna.
Oh.
Oh well, I'm not eating. This all I'm eating right now.
Oh.
I'm saving that for later. You could eat it all though if you end up using it. I'll make some more rice. But I wonder what's the difference. Like, you can tell us the difference between this
You
and.
say you need some more rice.
No, if I need some more rice. We got rice in there. It's not this rice, but we got white rice in there. And that's what I was gonna say. Like, what is the difference between white rice and this basmati rice? Happy Juneteenth, y'all. For real. I feel like all jobs at this point should be giving everybody Juneteenth off as a paid holiday, just like y'all do July 4th and Christmas. Shoot, my job even get Black Friday off paid. But this year they offered it to us off unpaid. It was progress because they offered it to us off, period. But at the same time, it should be paid. Like, you know what I just noticed, bro? Before I did the video, I don't know where it went. But my mic doesn't fit this anymore.
What do you mean?
I don't know where that other piece, oh here it is, because it's this. And now my charger port is the C port. So it don't fit. I'm gonna have to get another mic. But it sounds okay, I tested it. I'm glad I didn't pour it all on here because I'm getting full. I wonder if they cook the chicken in butter. You think they really do? Because don't you taste it? You don't taste butter in it? Destiny, you're lying. You're lying. You a damn lie.
Anyway.
I really taste butter in it. Like, it really tastes like they cooked it in some butter to me.
Because I don't really eat butter, and I don't know how you taste it. But if you don't.
She a lie. She put butter on all her little dinner rolls, all her little pancakes. It really fill you up too. This fill you up the same way Chinese food fill you up. You like it? I'm not sure if this is from the same place we got it from last time. You don't think so? I don't think so either.
It was lighter.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm. It was orange.
This is orange.
That's not orange.
I've been thinking you colorblind sometimes.
No, the other one was lighter.
I get what you're saying.
This is darker.
She's saying this was lighter like last time we got it. And it might have been because I'm not sure if we ordered it from the same place as last time because it was a couple. It's what time? I took my watch off. What time is it?
4:31.
It's 4:31. The place I was gonna, originally order from didn't open until 6 for whatever reason. So I ordered from a different place. Well, y'all, that was good as hell. Y'all see I ate all of it. I have like half of this left. This was good, but I don't need it again. I don't need that again. I really want to try the samosas. But yeah, y'all, I'm still glad I tried it though, so now I know what it tastes like. But thank y'all for watching. I'm about to get back to The Real Housewives of Dubai because I started that.
Series today because I love
The Housewives, but I never tried Dubai. And I like it kind of, I don't want to say more than the other ones, but I like it a lot because it's crazy how, like, you really see how it is in Dubai. And it's not like how I expected it to be. It's really cool. So I'm about to edit this, upload this, go back to watching Real Housewives of Dubai. But if y'all like this video, then like it, comment, subscribe, share my video. Follow me on TikTok at Kamsylvana. Follow me on Instagram at Kamsylvana. Add me on Facebook at Kamsylvana. And I'll see y'all in the next video.